What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm about to tell you how to handle these very high interest rates. So if you haven't been in the car market recently, you have dodged a bullet because these interest rates are ungodly right now. So about the average that I'm seeing for like a 72-month loan is about 8%, over 8%. And that's asinine. I have never in my days seen that. So I'm here to tell you how to mitigate that, because I don't want y'all out here just throwing money in the wind. The more interest you got to pay, the longer it's going to take you to pay off, or the more money you're going to pay at the end of the term. Now you can like balance that out in certain ways by like paying the loan off early, which is a good thing to do, but I'm about to get down. So we got like 4 ways to get to y'all today, and I'm about to explain how you can avoid these super high interest rates. So if you like videos like these, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, browse the playlist. I got a financial playlist, but let's jump into it. Also, shout out to the Men of Culture. We got Blueprint 1LE, Race Car Friends, Hunter Gang Nate. Go check out their channels on the feature section of my channel. So why should you listen to a guy like me? I owned a lot of cars, so I do this often. During the last few years, 3 years, I probably bought like 6 to 10 different cars, and that's no exaggeration at all. If you check out my channel, I had 27 different cars that I have owned. And yeah, so I got experience doing this, do it a lot. Excellent credit scores, like over 820. So I know a thing or two about getting these loans. Loans aren't the best way, so the first thing you should do to avoid these high interest rates, or to mitigate to just not pay such a high interest rate, the first thing, you're still gonna have to pay the high interest rate. But if you put down cash on your loan, it'll hurt less, because the more cash that you put down, the less interest accumulates. So you'll kind of negate that. That's not really helping you save on the interest rate. That's just dealing with the interest rate that you got. So the second thing that I want you guys to do, don't go to your traditional banks. Of course, shop around, because some of those might have the best rates, but on average, they don't have the best rates out there. I would encourage you to go to a local credit union. They generally have much better interest rates. So the last few cars I bought, my credit union was at least 1 to 2% lower than the mainstream banks. So shop your credit unions. They generally have the best deals. The next thing I want you guys to do is check out older models. So now we're in the point, so it's 2024 in the time we're making this video, February. So I want you guys to look for 2023 model year cars. And I know my channel is normally based around like pretty niche vehicles, so this is not going to apply to every vehicle. Of course, some vehicles you just won't be able to get a discount on, but for like your regular everyday cars, this is going to work for you. So I want you guys to look for older model years, and this is not talking used, this is talking brand new. You're generally going to get the best deal on a brand new car. Used loans are maybe 2% higher than new, so you want to get a brand new vehicle loan to help get the lowest interest rate. So what you do, you're going to look for a 2023 model year vehicle as opposed to a 2024. Why is that? It's older, but this car is still technically going to be brand new. Dealerships are more enthusiastic about getting rid of older models on the lot that become stale. They call it lot rot in dealership term. So they'll give you cash on the hood of a 23. Like if you're looking for a 2023 Lexus RX, that's what I'm driving right now, Lexus RX. You can get maybe a couple $1,000s off. It's going to vary by dealership. They're not obligated to do so, and sometimes the discounts on the 2024s could be better. But generally, you're going to want to go with the older model year vehicle, because they're more motivated to sell that, and they want to get it off their lot. They're losing money. The longer the car stays on the lot, they're just losing money. So they'll be motivated to get off the lot. So we're going through a stretch where the interest rates and inflation is very, very high right now. And we're starting to see that ease up just a little bit. So we're starting to see more deals and rebates roll through. So definitely on the older vehicle, like a 23 model year as opposed to a 24, they're not going to be motivated to give you a deal on the newest model year. So, but just know that deals are trickling in. I'm starting to see rebates. I'm starting to see these spectacular deals, which is going to take me to the next point. So the next thing that you're going to want to do, I know I said credit unions generally have the best rates, but also the dealership itself might have the best rate. See what they offer. Like, so I was cross shopping a Toyota GR86 versus a Subaru BRZ like last week, also with a Miata. I'm gonna talk about both of these cars. Now, for cars that aren't specialized sports cars, you should get a better deal. Like popular cars, sometimes they might have a good deal, sometimes they won't. You got to do the research yourself, depending on what you're looking for. I don't know what you're looking for. For the Toyota, the interest rate for 36 months on the GR86, and they're mechanically the same car, GR86 and BRZ. So Toyota is not motivated at all to give any discounts on the 2023 or the 2024. So I looked, and in the month of February, I saw like, for even a 36-month loan, it was a 8-point-something% interest rate. And that's insane, because I got lower than that with my credit union. But with Subaru, with the BRZ, for a 2023 BRZ, you can get the interest rate, the same car, for 3.9% for like, I believe it was 60 months on there. Maybe it was 48. It was 48, I believe. And also the 2024, it goes from 3.9% to 4.9%. That's much better than these 8-9% interest rates. And that's with excellent credit. Like these 8% interest rates, that's with excellent credit. So if it's worse than that, I don't know, you might not, I don't know, the car might be on the table for you right now. You're going to have to come out of wallet. And that's what I'm trying to save y'all on that burn. Also, I was looking at Miatas. You can get a Miata at 0.9% interest rate. That's going to be on the 2023. Now for 2024, they're coming out with the ND3, so they updated the Mazda Miata. So I'm going to assume they're not going to have any deals on that coming in. But 0.9% for 36 months, that's amazing. I remember I used to get loans like 72 months at 0%. 36 months on the Miata, which is like $30,000. That's pretty good. And I assume the model year 2024 is going to be up there. They're not going to be motivated to do anything. But also shopping Mazda, they got a lot of good interest rates on a lot of their vehicles across the line. So Mazda is one brand that has they have lower percentages if you finance through Mazda. Subaru again as well. So they're more inclined to give you a better rate. Then we do have some companies like Honda, they ain't gonna give you nothing. You're not getting nothing. They took away the employee discount. Like, you're not about to get much of anything off on a Honda. I'm still seeing markup on Hondas, like regular Civics. So be cautious the brands you go to. Like I know Kia, generally in the past, Kia, Hyundai, they have generally had great financing. I haven't been shopping for them right now, so I don't know, but search all the brands. Like, go to the main website, like Dodge.com, whatever brand you want to go to special tools like finance tools to see what special offers they do have. And that's how you're going to see, like, whichever, they're going to split it up by model. Like, this model has this financing deal, and that's how you can generally find the best rate. So that's all I got for y'all today. Shop the older models, shop with the credit union, put cash down, and see what the manufacturers got to put on the hood for, and look for rebates as well. Rebates is another thing that you will find that in the special offer. Like, you will normally see like the interest rate along with rebates. For the most part, the lower the interest rate, it's going to balance out to about break even depending on the manufacturer. So if you can get like $2,000 off, they'll give you the higher interest rate. If you get a lower interest rate, they're not going to like they're going to give you less of a financial rebate. That's generally what I've seen over the years. So take what you need with that information. I hope you get a great deal on the car out here, because right now I'm paying high interest rates and it just hurts me every month to be paying that. And I know there's going to be some people that say just pay cash, like save your money and pay cash. I'm not doing that, and I'm pretty sure the people that's watching this video, you aren't doing it either. It's good practical advice, but that's not the norm. Like, people don't have $50,000 is the average transaction price these days to put down on a car, depreciating asset. But these interest rates, like putting cash down, will mitigate that. Like, I don't know. Do what you want to do what you will with that information. I'm just here to give it to you. And I'm gonna leave y'all at that. I'm Q, checking out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.